So my concern about this is that when you adjust it, see the gap there, right in here, that it spreads out there or closes in order to adjust the binoculars. But if you look at this, it's very flimsy and flexible. So it's an external adjustment like that. And as you hold it up to your face, it moves a lot, making it so that it goes out of focus just as you hold it up to your face. And one eye is focused different than the other if you don't have perfectly even pressure against your eyes. Like, it is a complete fail. This is a big disappointment. So this will be going back, that's for sure. Yeah, you see how it adjusts? A lot of binoculars would have that external or on the back end here, so there's not going to be that adjustment for between your eyes and where you hold the binoculars. So anyways, yeah, this is going back.
Okay, Luke, I'd like to purchase this.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. Can I have my change back?
Yeah.
All right. That's my card. Can I get some cash back?
Yeah.
All right. There's a nickel. 2 nickels. Do I get any bills?
Yeah.
Can I get a bill?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right.
What?
Look at your binoculars, look up.
What are you looking at?
I see a gorilla butt. I saw the gorilla.
I think he was looking at you too.
I saw the gorilla's butt.
Kids love them.